How to switch to private profile on Threads. If you are a regular user of the Threads app and do not want your posts to be visible to all users of this network, it's time to switch your profile to private. This way, your posts will only be visible to your followers. Let's do it now. Open the Threads app on your phone. Go to your profile by clicking on the icon in the bottom right corner. Now look for two lines in the top right corner indicating settings. Click on them. Settings related to profile type are located in the privacy option. Open it. At the top, you will see the private profile option. As you can see, this option is disabled for me, which means that my posts can be seen by all Threads app users. To change this, we need to enable the private profile option. After that, a window will open informing you that only approved followers will be able to see and follow your content. Confirm that you want to switch to a private account by clicking OK. And that's it. Now you can enjoy using the Threads app within your selected followers. And if you want to follow our content on the channel, be sure to click the subscribe button. See you in the next tutorial.